Hi guys, my name is Farzana and I'm here with another tutorial. It's about tonality table. Tone in art simply refers to how light or dark a color is. Each color has an almost infinity number of tones. In this case, tone means gray. This table is formed from very dark to very light. In this tutorial, you only need to use a pencil with a normal degree of blackness. My suggestion is to use Faber-Castell or silver pencils. It's very easy and suitable to work with these pencils. There are Faber-Castell pencils with different numbers and opacity. My suggestion is 3B and 2B. This table consists of a minimum of 9 elements and a maximum of 12 different gray elements. Please pay attention. How you hold the pencil is also important. If your hand is close to the tip of the pencil, more pressure is applied to the pencil and it's difficult to control the pencil to create brighter areas. Upside down, the further back the hand is, the less pressure is applied and you can create lighter gray. I draw a table with 12 parts. This part is supposed to be the darkest. So, for the dark part, as you can see, my hand should be near the tip of the pencil. Actually, we do this very slowly and repeatedly. If you need, sharpen the pencil and continue until no white texture is seen on the paper. We continue like this and create the next gray tone. We know that this part should not be dark as much as previous. Keep going guys, almost finished. So the table looked like this. For the darkest part, more hand pressure and sharpen a pencil to fill the white texture of the paper. The part that is the brightest, actually less hand pressure applied. The further back the hand is important in this part. The less pressure is applied and you can create lighter grades. As you can see, we have a border between the shadows in this table. Another exercise is that you shade the same tonalities without creating a border. I start the darkest part with a bit hand pressure. If you get tired while shading, never put the pencil in the continuation of the shadow you did. Start at the bottom of it so as not to create a bad border. Actually, I picked up the pencil and put it back on from the beginning to correct my mistakes. You can see, I create more contrast. My intention was to show you how to be able to recognize and create different and borderless grays with this exercise. I want to tell you a few points that if you shade like this, it's right. For example, in this case, we want to have a contrast. Here, the mistake is suddenly we make from blackness to lightness. Another mistake, as I said before, when we pick up the pencil, it's better to start again from the bottom of the place where our shadow was cut. Another mistake is not to be afraid of shading. Do not lower the width of the shadow when you get to the bright parts. Adjust it. Well, this part of the training is over. I hope you find it useful. Be sure to join me and subscribe to the channel because good things are on the way. Bye!